Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see exercise 9.3's question number 1 to question number 3 of class 8. Its question number 1 is carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. So we have to multiply given pairs and take their multiplication expression. So first is 4p comma, it means this is the first expression, q plus r, this is the second expression. We have to multiply 4p by q plus r. You can see in the 4p we have only one term, that's why this is monomial, and here q plus r 1 2, so this is binomial expression. We have to multiply 4p into q plus r. We are doing the multiplication of monomial to binomial. So 4p firstly will go near to q. Okay. Now 4p multiply by q. Now inside the bracket what is the symbol? Plus symbol. Now 4p will go near to r. So 4p multiply by r. So 4p and q both are having different variables, so their answer is 4p q. Here plus symbol as it is, here 4p r. Both are having different variable, so 4p r as it is. So this is our answer. Second, same AB, we have to multiply A minus B. AB is monomial and A minus B is binomial. Now you can see we have to multiply AB into A minus B. Firstly, AB will go near to A. So AB multiply by A. What is the symbol inside the bracket? Minus. So minus will come here. Now at the end AB will go near to B. Minus symbol of the bracket, binomial term, AB into B. You can see in the first one we have AA, in the second one we have BB. And the symbol between them is multiplication. It means their power will add. So here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. So you can see A is to power 1 plus 1 is 2, B as it is minus A as it is, B is to power 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is A square B minus AB square. This is our answer. Now third one, A plus B will multiply by 7A square B square. So A plus B is binomial, 7A square B square is monomial expression. We have to multiply A plus B into 7A square B square. Okay. Now our monomial term is at the end. So it will firstly go near to A and after that it will go near to B. So look at here, as A multiplies 7A square B square plus symbol of bracket B. B multiply by 7A square B square. Now you can see in the first term we have A and in the second term we have B. So A's power will add at the first stage, in the second stage B's power will add to each other. 7 1 is 7 because here 1. A is to power 1, A is to power 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, B square as it is. Now plus 7 1 is 7, A square is power as it is, B b is to power 1, b is to power 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is our answer. Some students are making same mistake. They are adding powers also here. But here powers are not adding with each other because of plus symbol. In the case of plus and minus symbol, powers will not add. Only in the case of multiplication, our powers will add. Now, fourth one, we have a square minus 9, 4a. So, a square minus 9 multiply by 4a. So, 4a will firstly multiply by a square. So, a square multiply by 4a minus of bracket 9 multiply by 4a. Variable is same. Here is power of a 1. 4 1 is 4a. A square, a is to power 2, a is to power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 9 4s are 36, a as it is. So this is our answer. Fifth question is PQ plus QR plus RP will multiply by 0. So we know anything when we multiply by 0, their answer is remain 0. So directly we can solve. We can write here 0. Its answer is 0. Here we completed our question number first. Let's start question number 2. Question number 2 is complete the table. In the table we have 3 columns: first expression, second expression and product. It means in the product we have to find out the value after the multiplication of first expression and second expression. In the first one, first expression is a, second expression is b plus c plus d. It means we have to multiply a with b plus c plus d. You can see whenever we have more than one term, we are writing it into the bracket. Now, firstly, a will go near to b, then it will go near to c, and it will go near to at the end. So, firstly we will write a into b plus of bracket, a into c plus of bracket, a into d. So, its answer will become a into b, totally different variables. So, ab plus ac plus ad. This is the answer of first one. Second is x plus y minus 5 will multiply by 5xy. 3 term, it means trinomial, 1 term monomial. We are multiplying trinomial, it means it will come in the bracket, multiply by monomial. We know firstly monomial term will go first one of trinomial, after that second one, after that last one. Okay, so here x multiply by 5xy plus of bracket. Second term is y of trinomial expression, multiply by 5xy minus of bracket 5 into 5xy. You can see x is power 1, y is here also 1. Here y is having power of 1 and here y is having power of 1. Now 5 1 is 5. Now xy, x is to power 1, x is to power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, y as it is, because only one time y is here, plus 5 1 is 5. Now x is only one time in this term, so x will come only one time. Y is to power 1, y is to power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 5 5s are 25 and xy as it is. This is our second question's solution. Third is p, monomial equation will multiply 6p square minus 7p plus 5, trinomial expression. So p is multiplying 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Now p firstly will go near to 6p square, minus of bracket. Now p will go near to 7p, plus of bracket. Now p will go near to last term, that is 5 multiplied by 5. You can see p is to power 1, p is to power 2. Here p is to power 1, p is to power 1. Here you can see their variable are same, that's why we are adding their power. 6 1 is 6p. p is to power 1, p is to power 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 7 1 is 7p. p is to power 1, p is to power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5 1 is 5p. So this is the solution of third one of question number 2. Fourth one is 4p square q square will multiply by p square minus q square. So 4p square q square multiply p square minus q square. So that firstly 4p square q square will go near to p square minus 4p square q square will go at the end multiply by q square. You can see in the first one we have p square in both, and here in the second time we have q square both. So 4 1 is 4, p is to power 2, p is to power 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, q square is as it is, minus 4 1 is 4, p square as it is, q is to power 2, q is to power 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the solution of fourth one. Fifth of question number second, a plus b plus c will multiply a, b, c. So a, b, c will firstly multiply by a, second time multiply by b, lastly it will multiply by c. So a, b, c multiply by a, plus of bracket, plus of bracket. Now ABC will multiply by B, plus of bracket. Now at the end ABC will multiply by C. You can see in both we have A here, in the second time we have B, and at the last time we have C 2 times. So we are adding their powers. Remaining term will come as it is. A is to power 1, a is to power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Whose power? A is power. So a is to power 2, BC as it is, BC as it is, plus a as it is, b is to power 1, b is to power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, c as it is, plus a, b as it is, c is to power 1, c is to power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So c is to power 2. This is the solution of fifth one. Question number 3 is find the product. Its first one, a square multiply by 2 a is to power 22 multiply 4 a is to power 26. You can see in between all the terms we have multiplication symbol. It means same variable power will add to each other. If we are taking the numerical coefficient from each other, so first coefficient will give 1, second coefficient will give 2, and last coefficient will give 4. The remaining things in all the terms, first one is a square, second one is having a is to power 22, last one is having a is to power 26. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now all are same variables, so we can add their power. So a is to power 2 plus 22 plus 26. So we can get 8 a is to power 50. 2 plus 22 24, 24 plus 26 50. This is our answer. Second one is 2 by 3 xy multiply by minus 9 by 10 x square y square. It in between both the expression we have multiplication symbol. It means we can combine, we can multiply numerical coefficient to numerical coefficient, variable to variable. Here if we are taking numerical coefficient out of the each term, so 2 by 3 will come from first one and minus 9 by 10 will come from second one. In the first one remaining is x, y, and in the second one remaining is x square, y square. Now both are having x, both are having y, so we can add their power. Here power is 1. But one more thing, the numerical coefficient is in the fraction, so we can reduce them. 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So here we have the remaining numerical coefficient is 1 into 3 is 3 but negative, 1 into 5 is 5. So numerical coefficient remaining is minus 3 by 5. Now x term we will see. X is to power 1, x is to power 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now y is to power 1, y is to power 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is our answer of second one. Third is minus 10 by 3 pq cube. Pq cube multiply by 6 by 5 p cube q. Now in between both term we have multiplication symbol, so we will combine numerical coefficient to each other, variable to each other. We are taking out of the bracket minus 10 by 3 and from second one we can take 6 by 5 with multiplication symbol. First one having remaining term is pq cube multiply p cube q. Here both are having at the end pq, that's why we can add their power because of multiplication symbol. Now here the given numerical fraction is in the fraction, that's why we can reduce them. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. So that 2 2s are 4 but having minus symbol. P is to power 1, p is to power 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Here q is to power 3, q is to power 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. This is our answer of third. Fourth is x multiply x square multiply x cube multiply x to power 4. We have to multiply all these things to each other. You can see all are having same variable, having the powers, having same numerical coefficient as 1. Here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. So 1 will remain. So what we have to do? We have to simply do, okay, we will simply do the addition of power each other, will add to each other. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So x is to power 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. This is our answer of fourth one. Here we completed our question number 3. We will meet question number 4 and 5 in the next video.